I decided to buy some XRP, and with all the legal stuff going on, it only made sense to probably put that money somewhere else where they can't completely touch it, in a cold storage wallet. And I was wondering, like, look, which cold storage wallet do I actually want to go with? I had Ledger back in the day, but I looked at a few different ones. I actually reached out to the company a while back because I know in the future I was going to do a video. So Arculus, if you want to holla at a player, but I actually purchased it. It was only like $100. So in this video, I'm actually going to show you the unboxing, what everything come with, how to set it up, how simple it is, all that good stuff. All I ask in return is for you to go ahead and beat up that like button, hit that subscribe button to help out the channel a lot. Let's get right into it. So the first thing first is, let's just go to the unboxing and see exactly how everything look. Here go. Arculus, my cold storage wallet. Let's see if I can do this while recording. I should have went. Here go. Arculus, my cold storage wallet. Let's see if I can do this while recording. I should have went to the studio and did it. So it's 30 right there. Easy pull. Look at the presentation. So did you pull it out? Let me start seeing stuff. She's a beauty. I'm not gonna show y'all my code just in case. This looks good. Let's see how I feel. You gotta slide it up. I think I ripped it. I think I ain't supposed to do it that way. Present this side to phone. Okay. It's still not as heavy as I want it to be, but it got some weight to it. It looks good. So the first initial reaction is how beautiful this is. Now you had options between, I believe, black, silver, a few different ones. Took extra 2 days to get this one. I wanted a little bit of flavor. When I did it, you have the Arculus decal they gave you. Probably put that somewhere, you know. We have the terms and conditions, how to get started, scan this to download the app. Then you have my recovery seed phase, where you can write all of your codes right here. I can't fully see it. So the first thing is, a lot of people want to know, what is a cold storage wallet? Cold storage is offline cryptocurrency storage. Any crypto wallet that is not connected to the internet. So just think of crypto that's not connected to the internet is considered cold storage and is referred to a cold wallet. The most common type of cold wallet is a hardware wallet, which is typically a small device that connects to a computer. That's the old school way. That's why I wanted something a little bit more new school. Then you got the you got a hot wallet, and the difference is basically it's free. The other type of crypto storage is a digital wallet, also known as a hot wallet, which is connected to the internet. Here's how a cold wallet and hot wallet compare in a few key areas. Security, you got the code is more secure because, you know, a hot wallet is more open to be hacked, but it's 20 times more convenient because you can send crypto and have it easy, and they are free. But with Arculus, you can do all of that plus have the security. So you can put your crypto there, you can put your NFTs. I didn't know they had this many options that you can see. We'll see if they have it on this website of all the different options of crypto you have on there. Now your security, you have the first thing, you can do your face or you can do your thumb. Next, you can do a 6-digit PIN. Third, you need this card. And I know you're wondering, Orlando, how do it work? Do you just put it to the side of the card, the back of the card? She's going to show you live how it looks. Very, very dope. Very simple. My number one question was, what I do if my Arculus key is lost or stolen? Because if I had this in my wallet, somebody steal it, what happened? If it's lost or stolen, please purchase a new Arculus key and use your recovery phase to recover your wallet. So all you got to do is get another key, keep that 12-word phase. Very, very dear to you. So right here, they only show like BTC, ETH, and other stuff. But once you actually click the wallet, Your options is unlimited. You got Aave, Amp, ApeCoin, Axie Infinity. You have Crow. You have Engine Coin, FTX token. You even have Hex on there, Mana, Polygon. Look at all of these options, XRP. Now I'm using this to actually put my XRP over there. So if y'all actually want to see a video of me sending that over there, I can show you that, but it's simple. I'm just going to take it from my Maxi wallet with my Ripple. If you don't know how to get any Ripple, just watch that video. I have it at the end of this video where you can click it, and I'm just going to send it over here. I'm assuming it's just going to show up on his wallet. It's literally this simple. So I'm just opening up the app. You click the login button right here. Then it's asking you to scan that card in the back. So once you tap it in the back and keep it there, voila, it's open and you can see your crypto and your NFTs. That's simple. I was being lazy and didn't want to get my wife recording me doing it, but it's literally that simple. Now, when I first did it, because they tell you to like put it behind, it don't work doing it like this. You really have to have it up here. That's one thing I noticed. You got to have it right here and you got to hold it. If you don't hold it, then it's not going to work. So it's that simple. We open up the app, put it back here, and you are official. Put in your pin code, got a bunch of options, and you can put your NFTs over there. Arculus, holla at a player. Let's do an affiliate deal. Let's do some sponsorship videos. This one for free. This one is on the house. I actually paid for this one, but we can do some business in the future. I'm Lando Says. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Talk to you guys soon.